Hello everybody, welcome back to This Kitten Gamer. So today I'm in Adopt Me and I'm just going to be looking at some new houses and I'm going to be buying some new pet eggs. So this first one is this. It's the like pizza whatever. I haven't played Adopt Me in a while. So yeah. But basically it just looks like this, and there's like 4 rooms, 1, 2, and then also I might get a new house. I have no clue. Okay, the next one. Let's look at this. Which I actually had the luxury apartments one time, but then I don't know what I was thinking, and I deleted it. And oh my gosh, I haven't been in this house in a really, really long time, like 2 years. Why? Oh my gosh. Okay. This house could look really good, but I haven't been in it in 2 years, so yeah. I haven't filmed in a while, so I don't know, I'm a bit awkward right now filming. Then this last one, which I really wanted this for some reason. I really wanted this house. And basically, it's just, this. And then it does have an upstairs, which is really tiny. It's just this room right here. And so yeah, today, I'm going to try and get a new pet egg. So these are all the pets I have. I don't really have any good pets. I'm really bad at driving, so let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Well, that hasn't happened to me in a really long time. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, like I said, I'm really bad at driving, so let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I almost drowned in a lake, apparently. And then maybe, just maybe, I can buy one of these gifts afterwards, but it depends on how much money the egg is, which I think it's like $750 or something. We'll see. Yes, I was correct. And now let's unhatch this egg. So here's what it looks like. It's just like jumping. It's in a nest. And yeah. So I'm just going to wait until it needs something. But like in the meantime, let's look at the houses that I can get. So I'm just going to reset my character. And then I'll be at my house. Wait. Legendary. Okay. So I feel like I should get the Sandbox Island because but let's go try and see if there's anybody who has this house, and we're just gonna go in their house to see if I want it. It's a great way to get what you paid for. And here we go. Hopefully their house isn't locked. If it is, I'm gonna be kind of mad. Yay. Okay, so is it just like... Okay, this is exactly what I expected. I knew that it was just like a place where you could like build your own house, which I feel like is really cool. I feel like there aren't any houses like this, and you can just swim, I guess, which is nice. Oh no, I can't get out. Oh, it wouldn't let me jump. But yeah, we're just going to explore a little bit. I'm not sure if they put anything in their house, and that's okay. I definitely think I'm gonna get this house, but it's gonna be kind of a lot of money, which I don't have. I've got like $15 or something. Probably less than 20 or like 30 or something. Oh my gosh. Stairs? Why? And I would also like to play Roblox with Kiwi, the Kiwi cat, or what is this? Or Watermelon, which if you don't know who that is the Watermelon dog. So make sure to check out both of their channels. I probably will put them in the description or not, I forget. And I feel like I should get this house. So I'm going to go back home and see what other houses I want. Let's just make this easier. Bye-bye, egg. Okay. Oh wait, this is not my house. But we'll look around. Where is this furniture? Like, where are these chairs? I don't know. That bed looks nice. Where is my house? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I actually was in here yesterday. I was playing yesterday. But another house that I probably will get. I don't know. I don't know if we'll get another house. Like, I know I paid Robux for that house. For the modern mansion. We did have the futuristic home, which I kind of forgot what it's like. Kinda. But yeah, let's give this egg a shower and feed it and give it some sleep. And yeah. whatever. So let's see. I don't really know what you can get. Okay, stop. Okay, I don't really know what you can get. So let's look. Okay, so a rock is a bet, but I'm not gonna get it because, I mean, unless the rock can do something special, then I won't get it. Is that a hedgehog? Oh my god. I have no clue, but I'm just gonna wait until this egg will have another task. Okay. Yay! Okay. Alright. This is the last task. We'll feed it some lemonade. And then I won't have to do anything. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got a bullfrog. Don't really want one. I do have one, but that's because I'm taking care of it for watermelon. But like, okay guys, that was interesting. I will have a part 2 coming soon, or in like a month, I don't know. But yeah, bye guys. I'll see you later. And the bullfrog says bye too. Oh gosh, what?